2, 3. Look at how your lungs blow up and fill with air. You can see they're very pink in color. That's so your lungs get oxygen to your bloodstream. Really gross. Now, see how long they hold the air and you're able to take one breath and it slowly comes out? Well, keep that in mind when I show you the smoker's lung. I'm going to show you the back of the lung as well. Oh my God! Can everyone see it okay?
Yeah, I don't want to see it.
So these are just what your lungs do every time you breathe in. Your lungs fill up with air, and those tree branches I talked about fill up with air and carry oxygen to your bloodstream so that you can live. All right, now we go to the gross one. How many of you guys have ever heard